Before going to learn English, there is one common things come in our mind, that is grammar. We think actually I don't know the grammar of English language, so at first I have to learn grammar. Secondly, I will start my English practice. No, it's a wrong idea. I think before going to learn grammar, at first you have to go into practice. If you start your journey by practice, then you will face a lot of obstacles. When you face any obstacles, you should learn these things from your grammar. Like you are starting your English journey, but right now you are not able to express something properly. You will face tense problem. Then you can go to the grammar and learn tense. Then when you will face sentence, how to make sentence structure, you will face any difficulties of sentence structure, you will learn sentence structure. In this way, you should learn your English. Don't think before start your journey, I have to learn grammar. Grammar is not mandatory things. You can ask me, why do you think grammar is not mandatory? If I give example, if I remind you how you learned your mother tongue, you learned your mother tongue by grammar or not? No, never. Most of us, we didn't learn our mother tongue by grammar. We learned our mother tongue practical way. So English is a language like Bangla. So how you learned your mother tongue, you can also learn English. Start your journey by practicing. I hope you will get good result.